I picked this up on Amazon. It's an Ulanzi cute light. It's supposedly waterproof. It's LED video light. It's got a diffuser, a blaster, barn doors, and a honeycomb screen. There's the rest of the box. So, opening it up, looks like a really nice case inside. Got a little bit of sturdiness to it. Very nice zipper, easy to work. And this is what we've got in here. So we've got some paperwork up here. Let's see what that is. Looks like clip. A couple of USB cables. So a USB type A to a proprietary prong of some type for that, and looks like a spare maybe. Not really sure why there's two, but we'll figure that out. Looks like a mount for your shoe on the camera. This is going to be your barn doors that it talked about, which will magnetically connect to the cute light, and there's that. Good for shaping the light. And this, I've got to look on the box what they called it again, a blaster. So this will magnetically again connect to the front of the light. Here's the honeycomb. This is pretty nice. We've got some filter color things. It's always fun to play with different colors. Look at all of those you get. And there's another orange kind of buried under this. So there we go. So that's always fun to have. Definitely we'll have to play with those and see how that comes out. And it's going to be probably the cover to go over this magnetically. Last thing, we've got the diffuser on the light. So there's going to be your proprietary charging port. And it is a wireless camera light. It does not have to be plugged in to use it. And let's see, there we go. Hold down the button and she lights up. As you can see here, just magnetically connects there. We can shape the light a little bit there. Take that off. Slide the diffuser over top. Here is the honeycomb. Very cool. So I will have to get this one set up on one of the cameras here to, you know, play around with product shots and whatnot, and we'll see how it works. Thanks for watching.